North Tyneside Solar Trail, it's a 1 to 1 billion representation of the solar system, starting at the Sun, going right through the 9 planets, including Pluto, which is a minor planet. The North Tyneside Solar Trail is over about 6 kilometres. So that 6 kilometres represents about 6 billion kilometres in space travel.
If you walk from the Sun all the way up to Saturn in less than 80 minutes, you're actually going faster than the speed of light, technically.
I'm a local person and I'm a swimmer. I think the solar trail is an excellent way of getting exercise and learning something at the same time.
Anything that encourages the public to take an interest in astronomy will attract my attention. It's an all-encompassing science. So you've got physics, you've got maths, you've got biology, you're absorbed into one hobby, which is what intrigues me and what keeps me happy in retirement. What's good about the trail is the ability to impart a sense of scale. A lot of people have no idea how big the universe is, let alone how big the solar system is. Something like 99.8% of all the material in the solar system is in the Sun. Of what's left, 80% is in Jupiter, which makes you realise that the Earth's pretty insignificant on that scale.
I'm a self-proclaimed space nerd, so yeah.
Exactly. So once we saw something at the coast, gets people out and about, and it had space, that was perfect for us.
I love space because it's so huge, you know, and it's so awesome to think that we are such a small part of something so massive. It's kind of scary to think how insignificant we are, but it's also kind of awesome.
This trail will really give people a feeling for what a challenge it will be if man ever gets to the limits of the solar system, because it's a long, long way.
From a teacher's point of view, this is a fantastic resource to teach children about the scale of the solar system. It's very difficult in the classroom to get across the numbers and distances and the scale involved, so to have it on a 1-to-1 ratio that they can walk through would be a brilliant resource. And getting them outside and active in the fresh air is just an absolute bonus.
Can I tell you facts about Earth? The Earth is where we live and we will never change that. And it's the only planet that we know has life on it.
This is a trial with a temporary installation. We're using sustainable materials, plywood, recycled material where we can. We're using a cargo bike to distribute the planets, distribute food to the volunteers. Whether you come in the dead of winter or at the height of summer on a school trip or just having an ice cream, your fish and chips, it's for everyone. This couldn't have happened without our Space Hive crowdfund. We raised over £1,000. That was then topped up by the North Tyne Combined Authority through their crowdfunding program that they have. Family and friends have been awesome. We've got a couple of volunteers just behind me who have helped out on the stalls. And I've been approached, the video crew who have helped out today, they've approached to help out because they see the value in this. I've had the marketing company who did the website and the campaign poster. Everyone has pitched in because they believe this is a good idea. So a personal thanks on behalf of Graham and I. Thank you to everyone who donated, anyone who's visited, and anyone who's backing the project. And just a heartfelt thank you.
Do you think this trail should stay here for a long time?
Yeah. Just for about 2 days.
Do you not want it to stay longer than 2 days?
Well, I don't mind.
But
Well, I guess just for 10 days.
10 days, okay. That's great.
I think forever.
You think forever?
Well, that'll be a bit too long.